Welcome, Rat Black here. We're going to be checking out the 7-Eleven cars. No, the 7-Eleven cars and the Speedway cars. Interchange. Speedway carried them. Probably some other gas stations carried them. We're going to take a look at those. Sneak peek. We're going to check this out at the end of the show. So stay tuned for that. We're going to start with most recent first. I got these at a Speedway. These, though, they have a 2024 date on them. Oh, here, look, 4/24/2024. And the reason I like these so much is that they were hard to find. Easy for some, but hard for others. Black is version A. And the red is version B. (2010) Chevy Corvette Z06. Next, from Speedway, are the trucks. So we just looked at these two. Now we're going to look at these two. And these are the 2020 Ford F-150 Lariats. Gosh, these were hard to find. Version A on the top and version B on the bottom. Red, black. Nice Fords. And then here's the Ultra Red for version A. So that's good to have. I think these sets are fun. And then 7-Eleven. Another two-car set. You got a Corvette and a Viper. Date of release. Nearabouts. I guess we have 1 and 2. Part of the Auto World line. And I happen to have the Chase version of the Viper 2012. Yeah, I just happen to have it. Very cool. And then the Corvette, I've got the Chase of that also. 67. What made me think of these and doing this challenge is I was watching Hewitt's, and he was showing some of his collection on the walls, and I think I saw this one on the wall. And I thought, man, that's not a bad looking Corvette. Oh, that's it for the Auto World Speedway and the Auto World 711 cars. My collection. Oh, we were going to look at the setup here. Here, let me get ready. Let's take a look at this. This is from Hot Wheels Collectibles. It's called Rumble Road, and it has Harley Davidson motorcycles in it. I bought this part of the Manufacturers series. I bought this in 1993, I believe. Oh no, 1999. And that was the price back then, so these are rather expensive. Sealed up still. And the only rubber band problem I saw was with this yellow one on the end. That's all for today. From the Rat's Nest,